अवामी पुरवकार शख्सियत एडवोकेट जनाब सैयद फरीदुद्दीन साहब ने ये अज़म लेकर ग्रेजुएट हल्क़ा हैदराबाद रंगारेड्डी महबूबनगर से एमएलसी के ज़रिए आपकी तमाम जमहूरी आवाज़ को पूरी ताकत के साथ हुकूमत के ऐवानों तक पहुँचाएँगे और आपको आपके जमहूरी व दस्तूरी हक़ाइक़ दिलवाने तक जद्दोजहद करते रहेंगे। इस मौके पर एडवोकेट जनाब सैयद फरीदुद्दीन साहब ने बात करते हुए तमाम ग्रेजुएट भाइयों बहनों व सभी से अपील की अपना तरजीह वोट एडवोकेट सैयद फरीदुद्दीन के लिए इस्तेमाल करें और इलेक्शन के दिन अपना जमहूरी वोट देने के दरख्वास्त की।
Dear graduate, I Sayyid Fariduddin, contesting MLC from Mahbubnagar, Rangareddy, Hyderabad. Please pay attention. I am contesting not for my own sake. I have intention to serve people on a positive manner and as a guide to the government for welfare measures. The most important issues are unemployment of literate people's problem. I assure you, inshallah, if I win the MLC elections, I support number one, genuine appointment of sub-inspector of police post, genuine promotions to government teachers and fresh appointments of teachers. I support to government junior doctors and nurses for their genuine demands. Complete responsibility of promoting NEP by myself, inshallah. Complete care to unaided private schools who are suffering a lot. Previous AP government, namely late Sri YSR Garu, has sanctioned free tax benefit to private schools, hospitals, buildings to in school. Inshallah, I will try to find some solutions to low budget schools and easy filing of ETRs for private schools. The government must provide at least 6% of GDP income for the development of education to eradicate poverty line and to develop our state 100% literacy rate and welfare state. I sincerely request our Honorable CM to come forward as an excellent CM so that people must remember his deeds. We all born from the dust and goes into the dust. In my life, I have seen many distinguished leaders, namely Srimati Indira Gandhi, Manmohan Singh, and our previous APCM T. Anjaya Garu also, and many more. Dear graduates, please elect a person who will serve you better in a positive way. My office is in Toli Chowki, Hyderabad. Inshallah, I will give you at least 3 hours a day, daily, inshallah. And I also support public interest litigations in a positive manner for public benefits. I will support to GHMC staff who are shedding their lives for Swachh Telangana. I support to advocate because they take the responsibility as well as burden of other people and shed their lives for a good cause. I support to NGOs genuine demand. I myself, a member of Telangana High Court, life member of Nampally Criminal Court and life member of Sikandrabad Court, and also participated in Jai Telangana movement from there. I especially say to the police department, my father works in CID office, died while on duty. I sincerely request to all the voters, select before you elect. Remember, दवाई भी और कड़ाई भी। वॉक्सितु इन्नल्लाह युहिब्बुल मुक्सितीन। सत्यमेव जयते। जय तेलंगाना एंड जय हिंद।